Welcome back to my 10 days of local coffee shop series, and today we stopped at Green Door Cafe in Delafield. Pretty much it feels straight out of a fairy tale. Here at Green Door, they offer a fabulous menu of sandwiches, salads, toasts, and crepes, which always sound amazing, and their coffee is just as good. There's minimal seating in the actual shop, but they just opened an extra room with seating next door, so if you want to come with a friend or to get some work done, there's that option as well. It's also essential that you come and visit in the spring or summer because they have the most magical outdoor seating, which gives like secret garden vibes. Katie and I are obsessed with their sunrise sandwich. They make their bread homemade and it is absolutely to die for. We came right after a workout and this hit the spot. So if you're ever in the Delafield area, you must stop and try it out. See you tomorrow.